18th of November. Strange cloud and the sunset. Actually, if the cloud is a bit round, would have given Japanese rising sun sort of a sun ray, but there's only one ray there. This one in the middle, and the shape of the clouds is now changing from something like a spheric to a bit of an animal there, like a mouse. Beautiful sunset. This is a view from Donggongon. That's going to the roundabout. There's always jam for the PRN 17 election, I think. Yeah, it's always jam in this place. Idiot.